Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.
Call Randy.
Goodness gracious, it's amazing. Hell, blow my mind, yeah. So incredible.
Your jacket shouldn't just fit you, it should fit your life, adjusting to keep you warm wherever you go. Introducing FLEXWARM, the world's smartest jacket that's controlled with your smartphone, tablet, or smartwatch. Use the app to set control temperatures for your chest, back, and hands. Smart sensors adjust as the temperature changes. It's instant climate control. Just set it and forget it. No more freezing in your cold office. No more looking awkward in bulky layers. No more traveling with overstuffed suitcases. Wherever your journey takes you, FLEXWARM is the only jacket you need to take. It's water resistant for wet weather, durable and washable for outdoor adventures, super thin and light for warm climates. And unlike traditional heated jackets, it bends and twists without damage. Easily power your jacket using your favorite industry standard 5-volt portable battery pack. FLEXWARM even has a built-in USB charger, so you'll never forget to charge your phone again. So don't live your life adjusting to the weather. Get the jacket that adjusts to your life. The world's smartest jacket. FLEXWARM.
You're a trend-setting music lover. You know tech, and you won't settle for second best. Quality matters. That's why we made HELIX, the world's first wearable with extractable Bluetooth earbuds. You believe in simplicity, and that form follows function. HELIX earbuds offer unsurpassed sound quality, embedded in a discreet design. You're as bold as you are cosmopolitan. HELIX matches any style, anywhere, with convenient technology for the modern world. Wirelessly listen to music. HELIX is designed with you in mind, wherever your movements take you. Experience HELIX. Fashion and function, always on hand.
Is your drinking water safe? Recent studies have found water contamination is a much more serious issue than previously thought, and governments around the world have failed to take adequate measures